Hi, I'm Jason from Family Handyman, here to show you how to set up your Amazon Echo. It's super easy to set up and will totally change how you live inside your house. So let's get started. First, you'll want to download the Alexa app. Then, you'll sign in with your Amazon account and confirm your name. You'll give Amazon permissions for your contacts and notifications by tapping Allow and OK. You can verify your phone number or skip. Now you can plug in your Echo. You'll see it light up. Hit the plus symbol in the top right corner of your device. Tap Add Device. Then tap Amazon Echo. You'll select the type of Amazon Echo you own. Wait for your Echo to display an orange ring. It may take a minute. If it's not, you can tap No and hold down the action button until the orange light appears. But if you see the orange light, you can hit Yes and move on.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Select your Amazon Echo device that appears on the list. You'll select your Wi-Fi network.
Your Echo is ready.
Choose the room where your Echo is located. Amazon Alexa will invite you to create a voice profile. You'll allow access to your microphone and follow the prompts. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. After you've finished your prompts, you're set up with your Amazon Echo and you're ready to go. So if you need any more smart home tips and tricks, head to familyhandyman.com.